Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to highlight a selected area in Photoshop. Let's begin. Go to File, open your document. Okay, then select image and okay, then again create a new layer and click marquee rectangle marquee tool and see this selected highlight multiple area multiple selected. Okay, then click the brush tool, select it, highlight color, then click and drag it, move tool, press Ctrl D, again select this layer normal, click multiply. Now we can see this highlighted selected area. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.